Hello kids, welcome to Magic Rainbow Kids.
Vegetables, repeat after me. A says A is for asparagus. Can you say asparagus? B says B is for broccoli. Can you say broccoli? C says C is for carrot. Can you say carrot? D says D is for daikon. Can you say daikon? E says E is for eggplant. Can you say eggplant? F says F is for fennel. Can you say fennel? G says G is for garlic. Can you say garlic? H says H is for horseradish. Can you say horseradish? I says I is for iceberg lettuce. Can you say lettuce? J says J is for jacama. Can you say jacama? K says K is for kale. Can you say kale? L says L is for leek. Can you say leek? M says N is for mushroom. Can you say mushroom? N says L is for napa cabbage. Can you say cabbage? O says O is for onion. Can you say onion? P says P is for peas. Can you say peas? Q says Q is for quinoa. Can you say quinoa? R says R is for radish. Can you say radish? S says S is for spinach. Can you say spinach? T says D is for tomato. Can you say tomato? U says U is for upland cress. Can you say cress? V says V is for dahlia onion. Can you say onion? W says W is for watercress. Can you say watercress? X says X is for chigua. Can you say chigua? Y says Y is for yum. Can you say yum? Z says Z is for zucchini. Can you say zucchini?